Exercise 2.6, third problem. Find the sum of first 28 terms of an AP whose nth term is 4n minus 3. For this third problem, nth term is given. Using this nth term, we want to find the sum of first 28 terms. First you write given. What is given in the question? Tn equal to 4n minus 3. So using that we want to find the 28th term. So first term you have to substitute for n is equal to 1. So t1 equal to 4 into 1 minus 3. 4 into 1, 4. 4 minus 3 equal to 1. So next you have to substitute 2. So that is 4 into 2 minus 3. 4 2s are 8. 8 minus 3, 5. So suppose you want to find one more thing also, you have to find that is t3 equal to. For otherwise no need. So you have to write that 1, 5, etc. For using that these two terms is enough to find the difference, common difference. So you have to stop to find up to 2 terms. So for first term we have to consider as a, that is a is equal to 1. D is equal to 5 minus 1, that is equal to 4. T2 minus T1, common difference formula T2 minus T1, so that is equal to 4. We want to find a 28th term, so n is equal to 28. So you know the formula, Sn is equal to the sum of n terms. In this arithmetic series, for nth term formula it is sum of n terms, sum to n terms. So that is Sn equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So we want to find 28th term. So that is S28 is equal to n value is 28. 28 by 2 into 2 into 1a value is 1 plus 28 minus 1 into 4. That is the common difference. Next, that is 1 2 is 2. For cancelling is possible, you have to make cancel 1 2 is 2, 14. So that is 14 into 2 into 1, 2 plus 28 minus 1, that is 27. 27 into 4. Next 14 into 2 plus you have to multiple these two. 7 4s are 28, balance 2. 2 4s are 8, 8 plus 2 10. Now you have to add these two, that is 14 into 110. 14 into 110, that is answer 1540. So answer is 1540. Fourth problem, sum of first n terms of a certain series is given as 2n square minus 3n. Show that the series is an AP. So in this given question, the sum of first n terms of a series, that is n terms are given. Using that we want to find the series is an AP. Series is an AP. How you have to find series is an AP? T2 minus T1 is equal to T3 minus T2. We have to prove T2 minus T1 is equal to T3 minus T2. In this fourth question, first you have to write the given. Given Sn is equal to 2n square minus 3n. Then you have to find the first one, n is equal to 1. So 2 into 1 whole square minus 3 into 1. So that is 2 into 1, 2, 3 into 1, 3. So 2 minus 3 is minus 1. S2 value, you have to substitute n equal to 2. So that is 2 into 2 whole square minus 3 into 2. So that is 2 square value is 4. That is 2 4s are 8, 3 2s are 6 is equal to 2. So here some of the steps are reduced. So that is no need. Suppose you want to write, you have to write. So 2 into 4 minus 6. So like that steps are need for you, you have to write. Otherwise shortly you have to use this. S3 equal to 2 into 3 whole square minus 3 into 3. You have to 3, n equal to 3 in the nth term. So that is 2 into 3 square value 9, 2 9s are 18 minus 3 3s are 9. So that is equal to 9. The sequence is, so that is sequence. It is sequence QUENCE, sequences. So sequence S1, S2 minus S1, S3 minus S2, etc. That is the sequence. So here we found for it is S1, S2, S3 we found. Using that S1, S2, S3, you have to make it as one sequence. So that is S1, S2 minus S1, S3 minus S2. So that is like a T1, T2 minus T1, T3 minus T2 like that. So that is S1 value we found as minus 1, S2 value is 2, that is 2 minus of minus 1, comma, S3 value 9, 9 minus 2, comma, etc. That is minus 1, minus into minus plus. So 2 plus 1, that is 3, 9 minus 2 is 7. So the AP sequence is minus 1, comma, 3, comma, 7, etc. So we know we want to prove that the sequence is an AP, the series is an AP. So we have to prove that T2 minus T1 equal to T3 minus T2. First you have to find T2 minus T1. So that is 3 plus 1. So that is equal to 4. For here it is T1, T2, T3. First we found S1, sum value. Sum of first term, sum of second term, sum of third terms, sum of three terms. That's we found. For here we make it as a sequence. That sequence is minus 1, 3, 7. So that is T1, T2, T3. So T2 minus T1 equal to 3, minus of minus 1 is plus, equal to 4. So T3 minus T2, T3 is 7, minus 3 equal to 4. So hence here T2 minus T1 equal to T3 minus T2. The given sequence is an AP. Fifth question, the 104th term and 4th term of an AP are 125 and 0. Find the sum of first 35 terms. So that is the 104th term and 4th term. 104th term value 125, 4th term value 0. Using these two, we want to find the sum of first 35 terms. For this question, first you have to write the nth term formula, Tn equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. In the given question, 104th term value and 4th term value is given. That is T104 equal to 125. So that is for it is n. 104 is n. So you have to substitute in the nth term formula, that is a plus 104 minus 1 into d equal to 125. Then T4 equal to 0 given, that is a plus n minus 1. So suppose you have a doubt, you have to write this a plus 4 minus 1 into d equal to 0. So that is a plus 4 minus 1 is 3. 3 into d equal to 0. It is considered as equation number 1. It is considered as equation 2. For we have to solve these two. Using these two equations, we have to find the d value. So that is the first equation, a plus 103d, 3 into d equal to 125. The second equation, a plus 3d equal to 0. So you have to use the elimination method. So we have to subtract 1 and 2. So you have to change the second equation sign. So that is, it is minus, it's become minus. So plus a minus a cancel. 103 minus 3, it is 100d equal to 125. So d equal to 125 by 100, transposing, multiplication become division. Then you make cancel. That is a 25th table, it is 4 times, it is 5 times. D equal to 5 by 4. Suppose you want to use a small table, it takes 2 or 3 steps. So d equal to 5 by 4. So now substitute the d value, d equal to 5 by 4 in equation 2. For any one of the equation we have to follow. So substituted here in 2. So a plus 3 into 5 by 4 equal to 0. So that is a plus 3 into 5, 15 by 4 equal to 0. So that is a equal to, so a plus 15 by 4 equal to 0. This one you have to transpose to this side. It's become a equal to minus 15 by 4. We found a equal to minus 15 by 4, d equal to 5 by 4. For we want to find 35 terms. So n equal to 35. For a series, sum of the series to n terms. So the Sn equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So that is S35 equal to 35 by 2, 2 into a values you have to substitute here, minus 15 by 4 plus 35 minus 1 into 5 by 4 d value. So that is 1 2 is 2, 2 2s are 4, 35 by 2 into minus 15 by 2 plus 34 into 5 by 4. So it is 2 table you have to use 2 times, it is 17 times. 1 2 is 2, balance 1, 7 2s are 14. So now 35 by 2 into minus 15 by 2 plus 17 into 5 is 85 by 2. So the denominators are same, we have to simplify the numerator. So that is 35 by 2 minus 15 plus 85 by 2. So that is 35 by 2 into, you have to subtract these two, that is 70 by 2. So that is 1 2 is 2, it is 1 2 is 2, here 35. So now you have to multiply these two, 35 into 35, so that is 1225 by 2. So you have to make multiple 1225 by 2. So you have to make a cancel, that is 6 2s are 12, 1 2 is 2, 2 2s are 4, balance 1. After that no digits, so make decimal, then write 0, so 5 2s are 10. So 612.5. So that is 612.5. Suppose the direct cancelling is you not feel comfortable, you have to use a normal division method, normal lower class division method. Sixth problem, find the sum of all odd positive integers less than 450. So positive integers that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 etc. For we have to take only the odd positive integers. Odd positive means that is 1, 3, 5. So their sum we have to consider as a less than 450. So less than 450 means below 450. First you have to consider the odd numbers, that is 1, 3, 5, 7 up to 449. That is below 450. So that is 449. So that is their sum we want to find. So Sn equal to sum of n terms, that is equal to sum of n terms, in the sense that is for here Sn is equal to 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus etc. up to 449. So here the first term it is A, D equal to 3 minus 1, Sn we want to find. So this sum value we want to find. So first you have to find n number of terms need to find. So last term is given, we know the formula n equal to L minus A by D plus 1. So that is L is 400, last term is 449. 449 minus 1 by 2 plus 1. So you have to make answer 448 by 2 plus 1. So it is 224. 224 plus 1, that is 225. For Sn formula, if last term is given, that is Sn is equal to n by 2 into A plus L. So n we found, that is 225 by 2 plus 225 by 2 into 1 plus 449. So that is 225 by 2 into 450. Cancelling is possible. 2 table, 1 2 is 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, balance 1, 5 2s are 10. You have to make multiple, 225 into 225, that is 50,625. So therefore Sn is equal to 50,625.